Hi, this is Dr. Travis from Ambiente Gallery, and today I'd like to talk to you about how to use a sauna. Now this applies for both if you are using an infrared sauna or if you're using a regular finished sauna, okay? Now, typically what you want to do is anytime you go to an intensive heat thing like this, you want to make sure that your body can tolerate it. So if there's any health issues that you have that would prevent you from doing it because it's not safe, make sure you consult your physician before just trying something like this. But sauna can be very beneficial for your optimal health and wellness. Now, what you want to do is you want to work your way up to staying in there about 10 to 15 minutes, or at least until you feel a little, lightheaded. You don't want to get too lightheaded, but just kind of step out of the sauna once you feel like you're done. Okay. Now, one strategy here is to take a cold shower, bring your temperature down, and then go back into the sauna again for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll get a little deeper sweat during that time. Do that one more time. So 3 total sauna sessions, showers in between, shower at the end to cool the body down. After that process is a very thorough and deep sweat, very beneficial for the body. Thank you.